Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and connections. Sign into the same Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Make sure two-factor is active for security. Once signed in, update each device to the latest OS and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That allows discovery and syncing. Next, enable iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, Handoff, and Keychain so data and handoff features flow between devices. These steps create the secure backbone you need before pairing or transferring anything. You now perform the active connections. For phone-to-phone, use Quick Start. Place the new iPhone beside the old, scan the animated pattern, and follow prompts to transfer settings and data. For iPad and Mac, enable handoff and Bluetooth, then verify devices appear under Settings or System Settings. Use AirDrop to share files instantly. Also configure continuity features, universal clipboard, phone calling, and messages so content moves smoothly between screens. Make sure backups complete before significant You finish by validating connections and testing use cases. Confirm iCloud shows recent syncs for photos, contacts, and notes. Then try handoff, AirDrop, and universal clipboard with a real file or text snippet. If everything works, optionally enable Find My and backup to iCloud or your computer. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting move. Sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. Toggle the problematic iCloud feature. Restart devices and check date/time settings. That often restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.